The Design Selection tab provides access to 3 different methods for design selection as well as of a listing of the concept design elected for detailed design along with associated confidence specification and rationale. The 3 design selection method includes a scoring matrix, decision matrix with weights from the house of quality, and functional decomposition. In Spacer Card Project, the design selection was done on the scoring matrix and decision matrix with weights only. Therefore, if the user needs a further reference about functional decomposition, it can be found from Ecosystem's user manual. Firstly, scoring matrix would be the simplest and easiest one. The scoring matrix method basically scores the designs relative to a reference, datum. While the reference can, in general, be external, example consist of a standard or an existing product, Ecosystem assumes it is internal, i.e., one of the design ideas from the Design Description tab. In the beginning, the interface of scoring matrix would show all the design in Design Description. I will choose the design A of the squeeze wheel as the references and all the design targets for this design are then automatically assigned the grade 0. Then, design B of the squeeze wheel should be assigned as no for references, column. This design is ranked relative to the reference, datum, which is design A with the grading scheme of better +1, same as 0 and worse -1. I will provide a simple scoring for these two options where I just grade them on the pinch wheel assembly requirement. Then, the total column shows the score of these two designs. By using this method, the design B of squeeze wheel assembly for the Spacer Card project had the higher score than design A in total. Therefore, design B becomes the design selection for the conceptual design. You can provide your decision as following and choosing the level of confidence based on the outcome score. I would say this design had been chosen with medium level of confidence since the total score only have small difference. You can also provide reason for your selection.